this is a pretty controversial statement, but I think 95+% of all companies within the next 3 or 4 years will start a journey to rebuild and rewrite every single piece of software that they use in a custom way. The reason they couldn't do it before was that it was far too expensive, far too difficult, almost impossible for a company to imagine recruiting and managing engineers, compensating them relative to competitors, and then the idea of what they would do even after they were able to successfully deliver something, which is the reason why most companies still don't have localized engineering teams. But I think things like software factories are going to completely change that. It's going to allow every company in the world to essentially say, what is my business process? What is the thing that I'm trying to accomplish? And as long as you can describe it in natural language, very useful operating software will come out the other end. And the minute you do that, everybody's going to start to question, why am I licensing this other stuff that only 50% works and is only 20% used, yet still costs an enormous amount of money? It just makes no sense for people. And I think that that realization is going to create enormous disruption over the next 5 to 10 years.